So hello everyone, today we will make the barber shop sign. I guess the right word this time. That's not that much difficult to reproduce. The challenge will be to make the same texture, that's it. So, Shift A, cylinder, twice I, let's say, shader, new, diffuse BSDF, color ramp, color, it's, yeah, white dominates on the other colors. forget what I said. So, constant, I want a blue, I want a red there. And now we have France. F texture. Okay, that's already a nice beginning. Distribute stop from left. Yeah, it's not exactly that. Yeah, it's not even. Yeah, I think it's 1/3 and 2/3. Not actually. Okay, let's say it's approximately that. Yes, whatever. Now, we want to rotate it, so use your coordinate, object, mapping, alright. Now, I will take this, delete. Let's put it back to 0. Okay. Now, of course, since it's UV, we have this problem. Let's approximate. Okay, that's fine. So, right click, shade smooth. Now, can it work like this? Let's see. Okay, maybe you have to make it smaller. Something like this. We'll approximate it. There is a better method for that, but it's not the subject of this video, so okay. It's here. So I will add a top to it. So S, Shift, Z, scale that. Enable this, the magnet. G, Z. Oops. Shift D, Z. Let's add another node. Diffuse. Select there. Shift for multiple select. Control S. Sign. Home. See it. Let's put a gray. Like that. Ah, it's because it's going in the other direction. Press 5 to go to the orthographic view. And I think it looks okay. Let's see again. Okay, the difference is that it's not the pattern is too vertical. It should be more horizontal. So say something like 0.5. Why not? It's changing there. Okay. Okay. And now it looks like it's going up. And there it looks like it's going down, so. But let's maybe try to loop it. So at the middle we have the blue design, okay, so E, so maybe 80. And it looks like it's a revolution. Let's see, let's work. A to select all, right click, linear extrapolation, and it's going fine. So that's it. I hope you like this video, and the next one will be on the Penrose staircase. Really interesting. And once you understand how it's made, it's pretty easy to reproduce. I know I say that every time, but it's a trick. So once you understand it, it's easy. Easy peasy. So share this video if you liked it, or if it can be useful for some of your friends, or for some people who are into Blender. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!